Hello and welcome back to a new vlog. Yes, we're vlogging again on my phone because taking the camera said it was going to be long. Going to the Muslim Modest Festival thing in the XL. They do this like every year, I believe. And my aunt has a stand, like a few of my friends have a stand, so I thought go along to see what's happening. So yeah, gonna see you at the XL. Right guys, you probably can't hear me at all, but we have arrived at the festival. Bloody hell, there's a lot of people, obviously. I'm trying to find my aunt at the moment because my sister needs her ticket, and my aunt has her ticket. But I'm just like, look, how am I gonna find anyone in this place? It's really awkward to vlog stop. So guys, we just ate, we had you're not on the vlog, darling. The camera's facing me. Anyways guys, we had this steak burger. Honestly, it was like dog food. Stuff, I shouldn't say that, but it was.
Proper YouTuber, innit? Proper doing on YouTube.
Anyways, I'm really tired now. Probably gonna go home soon.
It's just cheap.
Yeah.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Make sure you come to my aunt's store, even though you're not gonna see this vlog for like a month. So it's the end of the event. I'm literally exhausted. I'm just always exhausted, but I'm literally shattered. Probably just gonna go to see my friend now quickly, and then we'll head home after that. But probably end the vlog here, and see you tomorrow for the continuation of this vlog. Hope you've enjoyed so far. See you tomorrow. Oh hey guys, a long time no speak. I think the last thing I filmed was when I went to the Muslim shopping festival thing. So I don't know how long ago that was, but we're going to continue the vlog because I need to be consistent, and it's just been a very busy last few weeks, so I just haven't even remembered to vlog. And I've also been really ill the last week too, but yeah, yesterday was such a cute day because one of my closest friends, it was her bridal shower. She's getting married inshallah this weekend, and it was just really cute. Like, it's just mad, innit? Everyone's just back to back getting married. But yeah, it's so cute, mashallah. And so that happened. Obviously couldn't vlog that. And then today I'm going to one of my friend's events. I think it's like a International Women's Day event, where like just women, female creatives are gonna like exhibit their work and display their talent and stuff like that. So that should be cute. So yeah, I'm gonna take you to that. So I thought I'd vlog today, and we'll see what happens for the rest of the vloggy vlog. I'm trying to think, is there anything else I need to update you on? Nothing I can particularly think about at the moment, other than the fact that, what's the word? I feel really disorganized and disorientated because it's just been a busy last few weeks, and yeah, I'm like all over the place. Do you know when like, yeah, anyway, so that's that situation. And yeah, so see you in the next clip, hopefully. Right guys, I am off. My friend's outside waiting for me, so see you at the event. Also, this jacket's really cool. I forgot how to hold the bloody camera. So guys, we are in Hackney. You can tell by the graffiti on the walls. We are en route to the venue. I'm regretting my life so much at the moment because I'm ill, or like recovering. And for some reason I thought, let's just not bring a coat, because you know when you're inside a venue and you're just sweating because you're wearing a coat, and then you don't want to carry the coat because you can't be bothered. Get off the road before we die. Oh, do you know? Did you hear what he said? No. Because are you taking video? Anyways, yeah, so I'm flipping freezing because it's like minus are we going the right way?
Yeah.
It's like minus temperatures out here right now. My hands go so red.
It's actually not that bad.
Because look what she's wearing. She's wearing every layer under the goddamn sun.
Should have been more prepared.
Anyway, I can just feel me getting more ill, and I just want to go home, if I'm honest with you. But I'm here to support, you know. Oh, my arm's hurting as well because I've lost all my strength. Okay, see you. Guys, you definitely can't hear me, but we made it. So let me show you around. Hannah, what do you think of the event so far? You're gonna have to speak really loud because the camera's not gonna pick up anything.
Have you seen the art?
She said it's amazing. Have you seen the art?
Show them.
I'll show them then. I'll show them. I'm actually asking. We'll show them some more.
Oh, sorry, I should have seen it to you. So currently we're sitting with you to get some flowers. Are you getting some?
Yeah, I'm gonna get some. I'm gonna give them to my mum. Oh, my mum's getting home. I'm gonna get them to my mum.
No, your dad?
No, it's not a flower. He's not a flower man. Guys, here we have Sadi, the artist and florist. Yeah, give her 2 stories.
Everyone's cute behind you.
Oh, it's okay. Roll it.
Look at that technique.
Absolutely.
It's all about the roll. Like, look at my fingers, yeah?
Oh, yeah. Absolute techers.
Oh my god. That was just spectacular. Roll up with the flowers. Happy International Women's Day, guys. Guys, my weekly reminder to take my Vit D. So apparently my sister was meant to be exhibiting some of her work. I don't know, I just don't know what happened, but I'm not surprised. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi to the vlog.
Guys, she got her flowers. They're actually quite, they're interesting. She's such a terrible vlogger. I haven't vlogged anything, but it's like 1 AM and I'm usually. And we did like a little cake for Sadia. Let me show you the cake. It's such a like vintage cute little cake. I love. Hanan, are you going? Ciao, babe. Farewell.
Shall I give you a nice little visual?
The food was really nice, but like barely ate anything because we did a little snack shop in that bag. They got some tea.
So she's fallen asleep, guys.
Welcome back to the vlog. I can't remember what the last clips were or if this potentially is even a new vlog, but yeah, I thought I'd just put out the camera today because it's already halfway through the day. So I've just been working. I also had another dentist appointment. Yes, I know, 1 of 100. Today was my final IPR session, and the IPR is basically when they make room in your teeth by doing all sorts of crazy stuff. Honestly guys, it's just the most painful procedure ever, but my dentist is amazing and she makes it like as comfortable as possible, but it's still pretty awful. But anyway, that's all done now. I'm on like set 7 or set 6 of my Invisalign trays, so like halfway through the process, and already my teeth, like I told you before, my teeth were never terrible, so alhamdulillah, they're already pretty straight, but there's still a few little minor things that need to be fixed. So that's that update. Yeah, so I'm going to meet my friends today in Central because we're trying to book a holiday, and we've been trying to book a holiday for so long, so, and it's just not worked out. So we actually like are gonna meet like in person and like plan it properly because we're just a bit useless at planning. And yeah, so we'll probably just eat, chill, and that's about it really. It's Friday today, and guys, next week is Ramadan. I'm so bloody excited. Like, don't even know why, I'm just so excited. You know, it's just Ramadan and the vibe's just different and wholesome. So yeah, very excited about that. Hopefully we'll get some good Ramadan content for you lot. And yeah, that's about it really. I'm trying to think of anything else. No, not really. So we'll see you probably en route to see my friends. Yes guys, if you're wondering, I wear a hoodie 24/7 and it may look like I've worn this black hoodie consistently for the past week. However, all the videos are filmed probably weeks apart, so just allow me. This is my uniform. I don't think I'd be me without my hoodie. So I got a bit delayed leaving the house because my older sister came to visit, and like she never really comes over. We don't really see her often, so it was nice to just catch up, even though it's been literally like 5 minutes by the door. Oh, it's flipping out focus, isn't it? Guys, you know what? I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god, there's like urine on the floor. Ew, there's a bottle of dodgy liquid in a plastic bottle. I'm thinking, yeah, I should just start vlogging on my phone because the quality is pretty much just as good. The audio's probably just as good because this audio is really crap. and it's just easier to take it around with me. Anyways, I'm going to consider that. Let me know what you think in the comments. Should I just continue vlogging on my phone? I've done a few clips in this vlog actually, so let me know. We made it to the cafe, but I'm in Fernand's Day. It's this place by the way, or you can't even read it. It's pretty packed though. I'm going to put this down just a bit. It's really packed. We're just waiting for our other friend, and I'm flipping starving. I've heard good things from Nana about this restaurant. We're in Marylebone, guys. I never come to Marylebone. I never come to these ends. I never go past. I don't really go too into West ever, so it makes it uneasy. Makes the hairs on the back of my neck stand up. You know what I mean?
Excuse me? What being
I just don't feel safe.
You don't feel safe in West London?
Oh, it's getting all angry, guys, attack me! No, it's just because it's a bit long for my life, but yeah, let's see what it has to offer. Guys, I'm leaving the wall to live because my friend's got me food and she ordered last hour and it's been like half an hour, and you know when you're just so hungry and your patience levels are just so low, but I'm practicing for Ramadan because you've got to have patience in this time, guys. Anyways, let's show you what. So my friend got the saffron iced tea thing and then like this wrap. Dynamite chicken. Oh my goodness. Oh look, she's got one of them. Guys, it feels like I'm in India in this place because everyone's Indian. And the music and it. And the music. Okay, so she got the samosa chaat and the paratha.
That's nice.
And they did say 15 still not ready.
He said, I'll bring it when it's ready.
He'll bring it. Yeah, he better.
He'll bring it.
Oh, he'll bring it. No, tell him to bring it.
Oh my god. Am I ready yet? No, my food's just come. You can come and eat with us if you want. Sorry.
This is not the time for you to be named.
You've got what? She's gonna have dimples. She's gonna have dimples. Do I? They're called huh? Do I actually?
Yeah, you got look. That's a dimple, isn't it?
Which one? Which one?
No. This is what Aisha does on Friday nights. Does Aisha? Hoodlum. Hoodlum.
Alright guys, so it's actually the next night because my camera battery died, and I don't know why it always does this. It shows like it's full charge and then it just dies, and it was so annoying because yeah, you missed out on quite a lot. It was quite an eventful evening after we left the cafe. Don't even remember what happened because that was yesterday now, but what did we do? Yeah, I think we just walked into Central. Saw the Ramadan lights that they put up near Piccadilly Circus, which is so cute because we've never had Ramadan lights in Central before. So I feel like this is quite like a big achievement for the Muslim community in London. So big up our mayor. Right, it should focus now because the setting was on the wrong setting. But anyway, yeah, so we saw the lights, which was just really cute and wholesome, and then me and my friend, we just randomly decided to go cinema. Like, we never go cinema, like me and my friends, like I never go cinema with like those friends. But yeah, so we were just in Leicester Square. We were like, let's go cinema, because my friend had like those 2-for-1 tickets. We ended up watching the most taps film ever. Like, we went into the cinema not really knowing what's on, and obviously it was like quite late. It was like almost midnight, so there's only a few things showing. And we selected this film called Pearl. I thought it was like a standard horror film about like a doll. I literally had no idea. All I saw was the advert. I didn't even watch a trailer, but it was highly entertaining but also extremely tapped. Like, it's one of those finished films. And then yeah, today was my other friend's wedding. It was a very small, like, intimate wedding, so it's only at her house, but like it was just, oh, it was really cute and like wholesome, and I know it's bad nice just to see your friends get married. Like, it's just mad, isn't it? Next stage of their lives and whatnot. So alhamdulillah, that was really cute. It was so far away though, honestly. Flipping out, she lives in goddamn no man's land, so done a lot of traveling today. And yeah, I've just come back now and it's like 1 in the morning. So I'm gonna end the vlog here because it's gonna be Ramadan in a few days, like next week. So I'll probably start some Ramadan vlogs. Hopefully they'll be a bit more eventful. Let me know if there's anything in particular you want to see from these Ramadan vlogs. Like, I don't know, just let me know in the comments below. Hope you've enjoyed the vlog. Hope you all have an amazing Ramadan. Make sure you make the most of it, because you know, you just never know if you're going to see the next one. But yeah, see you lot later. Peace.